this is beautiful. This is perfect.
That's good. That's
Right?
perfect. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, he said he wanted to see the other fold up, but I don't know.
What do you mean? On the other side of the piece?
I guess, yeah. So let's run it to the other side too.
To where?
I don't know, the same thing. But can you just run it
Over
up?
here, this side.
Yeah,
Same
yeah.
thing. Okay, so this same size over
Yeah.
here, this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I did it backwards.
Oh. Yep. That's all right. Let me see the top. Oh, I see. There's a little piece that folds over inside. I see. It hems. Okay. Okay.